Derogatory adjective. Derogatory. Showing a critical or disrespectful attitude. Showing a critical or disrespectful attitude. Derogatory. Derogatory. Example: she tells me I'm fat and is always making derogatory remarks. Example: she tells me I'm fat and is always making derogatory remarks. Synonyms: disparaging, denegatory, belittling, diminishing, slighting, deprecatory, depreciatory. Synonyms: disparaging, denegatory, belittling, diminishing, slighting, deprecatory, depreciatory. Antonyms: complimentary, flattering. Antonyms: complimentary, flattering. Example sentences. 1. The word pig is a derogatory term for policeman. 2. He made some derogatory remark about her appearance. 3. Their conversation contained a number of derogatory racial remarks. 4. He refused to withdraw derogatory remarks made about his boss. 5. Nothing derogatory intended, no insult taken.